Dear students, Namaskar. We are continue with reactions, addition reactions of carbonyl compound from chapter 12 aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So this type function group having compound here R1, R2 may be different, are called carbonyl compound. In case of addition means something otherwise any compound will add on this group. So addition reactions are four types: addition of hydrogen cyanide, addition of sodium bisulfite, addition of Grignard reagent, and last addition of alcohol. So there are four different type reactions, different type compound which directly add without eliminating of any side product on this group. These are four following. So first we will discuss addition reaction of hydrogen cyanide on carbonyl compound. Observe. This is R1, R2, N. Can you guess? I am writing R1, R2, both may be hydrogen, CH3, benzene ring, N. You can also use another different type. Means here hydrogen, here CH3, benzene ring, here methyl. So can you write name of these carbon compound? In previous topic we have discussed. Here you know this is partial positive, this is partial negative. Oxygen is high electronegative than carbon. And this molecule is hydrogen cyanide. Hydrogen also positive and minus because the CN group is minus having a hydrogen coil. So this is polar, this is again polar. So polar molecule add on each other and on the basis of their different type charges. Hydrogen positive will join here and cyanide minus will attack on carbon. After the reaction this type product will form R1, R2, CO on here hydrogen due to their different type charge and cyanide joined here. Cyanide having triple bond, this type. These compounds are called cyanohydrin. Listen, if you are using acetaldehyde, after the reaction, after the addition reaction of hydrogen cyanide, the product will form this type CN, here OH, here C triple bond N. This is called acetaldehyde and this compound called acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. If you are using here acetone, product will call acetone cyanohydrin. Are you remember the formula of glucose? Glucose is this type. C double bond O and here a long chain of carbon present. It means CH2OH, CHOH, CHOH, CHOH. Total these are total 5. Here aldehyde group present. So if glucose react with hydrogen cyanide, then what will happen? This type compound will form CH, CN and here CHOH, these are 4 and last CH2OH, no change in all these 5 carbon. This compound called glucose cyanohydrin. But the question is, what is the importance of product? Means this product, cyanohydrin. What is the role of this compound? You focus on here, this is cyanide group having triple bond. If we are reacting water molecule in presence of any acid, then two water molecule used here and this molecule removed. Can you guess what is this molecule? NH2H. This is called ammonia. After the reaction, ammonia removed and can you write the product? Product is this type. What? R1, R2 depend on initial product C OH and this compound will come as C plus OOH. This compound COH. It means this is carboxylic acid, this is alpha carbon and this is alcohol. Means these are alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. If we reduce means we are reacting hydrogen in presence of any metal just like palladium, nickel, Pg. Then this hydrogen will add here and here. This type product will form R1, R2, C, OH, here C and N. The valency of carbon complete 2, valency of hydrogen, nitrogen complete 2. And M is, this is alpha, this is beta, and here beta hydroxy amines will form. So cyanohydrin on hydrolysis carboxylic acid gives, and cyanohydrin on reduction amines will give with their OH group remaining. So you can convert these components again. So if I am giving you an example, what happens when hydrogen cyanide react with acetaldehyde further hydrolysis? So this is called acetaldehyde and this product called acetaldehyde cyanohydrin, and on hydrolysis this CN will convert into carboxylic acid. So product this type will form CH3, CH, COH, and here OH group present. This compound is called lactic acid. Lactic acid. So in exam they can ask convert acetaldehyde to lactic acid. Lactic acid means 2-hydroxypropanoic acid. 2-hydroxypropanoic acid, isn't it? So this is first reaction, addition of hydrogen cyanide. If in any carbonyl compound means on formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone, benzaldehyde, acetophenone, in any carbon compound, hydrogen cyanide react due to its polarity, a single product will form called cyanohydrin, in which C triple bond along with OH present. Now the second is reaction of sodium hydrogen sulfide, or you can say sodium bisulfide. Okay. Again R1, R2, here R1, R2 may be this type, CH3H double bond O. This is called acetaldehyde, and also you can use here CH3 this type. This is called acetone, and we are reacting with what? Sodium hydrogen sulfide. You remember this is partial negative, partial positive. Here sodium is partial positive, so this will attack on oxygen, and the remaining HSO3 this will join on this carbon. Can you guess the product? Product is simple, very simple. R1, R2. This is CC means carbon compound. You can say acetaldehyde, acetone, etc. So this is called CC means carbonyl compound. Here CO, the sodium metal which is positive, react with oxygen and form this type ionic compound here, and here along with sulfur. So bond is this type, and this bond directly connected with sulfur. So this compound is called carbonyl compound sodium bisulfite product, and this is, remember, this compound is called crystalline solid, means product will form in a solid state. And remember, if after the reaction product state change means it is in solid state, it is in specific smell with any gas with special smell. So these reactions are used for separation, otherwise for distinguish the compound. If this is carbonyl compound and another compound is without carbonyl group, remember, so suppose this is acetaldehyde and this is acetic acid. There is the mixture of these two, and they ask how can you distinguish, otherwise how can you separate acetaldehyde from acetic acid. So In this mixture, we will add sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite react with only this, because this compound have carbon component form acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite in crystal solid form and precipitate. In mother liquid, acetic acid exists. We will filter. After filtration, this compound we obtain. If you are treating this sodium bisulfite with any acid, otherwise any base, then you can obtain your original compound, means R1, R2, C double bond O, and if you are reacting HCl, the other product, side product, means NaCl and H2 and SO2. These products are removed. These are side products. Main our reactant is obtained in the pure form. So this reaction we are using for distinguish as well as for separation, means we can separate carbon compound from those compound which do not have carbonyl compound. Another most important thing, remember for this reaction, what all aldehyde will give this type reaction, but in case of ketone, this acetone will give the reaction. But remember, if instead of these two methyl there are large bulky groups just like ethyl, benzene ring and propyl, reaction will not give by such type compound. Means suppose I am writing this type here. This is compound called diethyl ketone. If I am writing here methyl ethyl ketone, if I am writing here, suppose this is methyl but this is benzene ring, this compound is called acetophenone. If on both sides there are this is called benzophenone. So benzophenone, acetophenone, methyl ketone, diethyl ketone, all these compounds have bulky and larger group, and this reaction is not given by these other compound. This reaction is given by only acetone. So in exam they can ask, how can you distinguish between acetone and acetophenone? This is acetone, this is acetophenone. In acetophenone, the ring bulky group represent by reacting sodium bisulfite. This compound will give crystalline solid compound named acetone sodium bisulfite, but acetophenone will not. Means benzophenone, acetophenone, methyl ketone and diethyl ketone. These four compounds are having ketone, but these compounds will not give sodium bisulfite test. Remember, this is most important reaction. By help of this reaction, you can distinguish between one compound having carbonyl, means aldehyde ketone, but another compound have not carbonyl compound. Suppose in exam they are asking, how can you distinguish between formaldehyde and methyl alcohol? Formaldehyde will give this reaction but methyl alcohol will not. If this is also used for distinguish two ketones. Two ketones means one ketone having methyl dimethyl ketone and another ketone having larger group just like methyl ethyl. So if they are asking how can you distinguish acetone and diethyl ketone, use this reaction. And you, by help of this reaction, you can also separate the compound. Means if in the initial condition this is compound with impurities, this dot means impurities. This compound react with sodium sulfide, form this compound product, and all the impurities remaining here. This compound precipitate in the solid form, filter, dry and heat this compound in presence of any acid or any base, means HCl and they will give their original compound. Now, third is reaction of RMGX. RMGX is the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means alkyl magnesium halide. RMGX. Grignard reaction. So Grignard reagent also have polarity, means can you guess in RMGX which element is positive and which is negative? Remember here R1, R2 CC means carbon compound. This may be aldehyde, otherwise ketone. And third reaction means RMGX. This is RMGX means alkyl magnesium halide. This is called Grignard reagent. Grignard's reagent. So in Grignard reagent, this is plus minus polar, and here this bond is having polarity, means metal is always positive, this is negative. So can you guess what happened, means what type addition reaction will take place? This R will joint on carbon and Mg joint with oxygen, and after the reaction this type product you can write here R1, R2, CO, and here remember these are joined here in the form of R3 and MgX here, sorry, MgX, this type MgX form. If we hydrolyze this product in presence of any acid, then what happened? Hydrolyze means I am writing here water, this type. Then this MgX always react with OH and form this type side product, means you can write hydroxy magnesium halide, but no need to write this product. This is byproduct, side product. But the main product is this H here sit and form this type compound R1, R2, R3, COL. This is called alcohol. And which type alcohol is formed? It depends on nature of these R1, R2. This is R dash. So we are writing here R dash. So caution for you. This compound is called formaldehyde. You can write here HHC double bond. This is formaldehyde, and this is methyl magnesium chloride. What will happen? Can you complete the reaction? Simple. This carbon CH3 shift here, and this joint here, and you can write here CH3 CH2O MgBr, and on hydrolysis it will give this type, and this hydrogen joint here, product will call CH3 CH2O alcohol. This is alcohol and this is primary alcohol. Now question for you, if I am taking this type of compound, this is called ketone, and here CH3, then what will form? Here both hydrogen will replaced by CH3, and after the reaction tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol means the alcohol in which 3 beta carbon present. Tertiary alcohol will present. And question for you, if acetaldehyde is reacting with this compound CH3 MgCl, this is called methyl magnesium chloride. This is acetaldehyde. So carbon with carbon, magnesium here, and here intermediate compound form after hydrolysis. What type alcohol will form? This is work for you. And the last is reaction of alcohol, means addition reaction of alcohol. Alcohol are these are product alcohol, primary, secondary alcohol. These alcohol will add on carbonyl compound and will give some special type compound. Observe. So I am using this compound. Can you write name of this compound? This is acid aldehyde. Acid aldehyde in IUPAC system you can say this is ethanol, and this compound is called methyl alcohol. You can also use ethyl alcohol. And this ethyl alcohol react in this manner. Observe here. This is acetaldehyde. This is methyl alcohol. So after the reaction, this type compound will form. Means CH3HCO. Observe. Here this hydrogen due to polarity joint on here, and this minus joint on this carbon. So which type will form here? Hydrogen from alcohol and OCH3. This compound is actually called hemiacetal. Hemiacetal means the half of the acetal. What is the acetal? Full acetal here. Another molecule of methyl alcohol will react with them OH and H. Remove in the form of water molecule. This methyl joint here in this manner. CH3H, CO, here CH3 from here, and remaining this compound is called acetal. Acetal. You can write its IUPAC name. This is 1, 2. On first carbon there are 2 OCH3. These two are called methoxy. So you can say 1,1-dimethoxyethane. This is called acetal. But this is half. In this there is only one methoxy. What is the name of this compound? 1, 2. So you can say this is called 1-methoxyethanol. This is ethanol, but this is not ethanol. This is 1,1-dimethoxyethane. So this is acetal, but this is hemiacetal. If we are using acetone, this is acetone. So acetone will also form ketal reaction with alcohol, but here alcohol, we will use alcohol in this form. For reacting acetone to prepare ketal, we should be take this type of compound. This is 1,2-dihydroxy ethane. Other you can say this is called ethylene glycol. So in exam they ask what happens when ethylene glycol react with acetone. For acetone, dihydroxy means dialcohol we are using. So after the reaction, this H and H remove with this O and form water molecule, and here this type CH3 is the direct carbon, O here CH2. This type compound is formed. This compound is called ketal. This is ketal. Can you write name of this compound and what is the use of this reaction? Listen, if there is impure acetone, we are reacting this compound, this form this type compound, and this compound again on hydrolysis in presence give these two. So this reaction is used for purification of carbon compound. If there is impure carbon compound, alcohol otherwise dialcohol react and form acetal otherwise ketal, impurities remain here, and on hydrolysis they give their original form. And caution, this compound is actually called numbering from here 1, 2, 3 left oxygen. On 2 there are 2 methyl, this compound called 2,2-dimethyl, and on 1 and 2 there are oxygen. This is called 2,2-dimethyl 1,3-dioxyren. This is compound called oxyren. So you can say this is cyclic ketal. So you can write here only cyclic ketal. No need to write this compound. So today we have discussed addition reactions of carbon compound. First hydrogen cyanide, second sodium bisulfide, third RMGX means Grignard reagent, and last reaction of alcohol. After the reaction of alcohol, acetaldehyde means aldehyde will give acetal and ketone will give ketal. But for ketal we use vicinal hydroxy compound, means hydroxy compound in which OH group should be present on first and second. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.